Bluetooth speaker, one brand tends to come up in our mind more often than others. You guessed it right, JBL has option at every price point, but for the price, one of their best speakers has always been the Charge series. The newest in the lineup, today we are gonna unbox Charge 4, and also with short review, I'm gonna give you my experience of this speaker. So we have this box, let's open it. So inside we are greeted with this small quote which says play and charge endlessly. So this gives us a short hint of the battery capacity that is long lasting. And then we have the Charge 4 labeling on this memory foam. So this might be to protect the speaker itself. Now let's see what's inside this one, and we are gonna go back to the speaker itself. So let's open this up, and so we have a Type-C cable to charge the speaker and some manuals which we don't need right now. So let's dive right inside this speaker. So let's keep this aside and focus on the speaker itself. So let's take a closer look at this speaker and see what it has to offer. There is two passive brace radiators on both sides of the speaker. The buttons are slightly raised. In total, there are 6 buttons. So we have a play pause button, we have 2 buttons to raise and minimize the volume, we have a Bluetooth button, power up button, and there is a special button that only JBL speaker holds, that is to connect other JBL speakers and play the same audio. Looking at its back, there is a water-resistant flap which protects the ports from the water. There is a Type-C port, 3.5 mm port, and also a USB port through which you can charge your devices via this speaker. When you look at the build quality, this is quite sturdy. The waterproofing of this speaker is IPX7 certified, so not only can you submerge this in water for 30 minutes, but it also floats. This speaker also comes with a built-in stand with which you can place your speaker wherever you like. Also, there is 5 LED lights which shows you what charge is left on this speaker. Let's see the audio quality that comes from the phone versus the JBL speaker. So it is at its maximum volume. Now let's turn on the speaker. Let's turn the volume a little bit up. Okay. So you can find the difference in audio. It has so much more depth than the audio that was coming from the phone. And also I want to say how easy it was to connect this speaker to my phone. Also, you can connect up to 100 JBL speakers together at the same time. Now, talking about the audio quality of this speaker, I must say that if you are partying at a pool, at a beach, or outside anywhere, this speaker is best for you because the sound quality of this speaker is amazing. Even if you put this speaker at the maximum volume, you never hear any distortion and the quality remains as perfect as it was. So with this, we've come to the end of the video. I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit that bell icon, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.